Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing some easy lymphatic drainage stretches. So if you guys don't know what that is, we have lymph nodes, which is a system of detoxifiers, if you will. They basically absorb the toxins in your body. And in order to release those toxins, you have to either massage the lymph nodes or stretch in a specific way for them to release those toxins so that they can get rid of them, flush them out of the system through urine, and then refill themselves by gathering other toxins and going through the process all over again. So I've actually gotten a lymph node massage before, and they lay you on this bed and you have lymph nodes everywhere. So you have some here, you have some in your armpits, you have some in your groin, you have some behind your legs, and they massage them very gently in a circular motion, and they go really gently, and they do your whole body, and you feel so sick afterwards in a good way. Like you feel like, oh, gross. And then once you drink a lot of water and you flush your system, you feel amazing because they release all the toxins in your body. And then you're gonna feel better after you drink a lot of water. So, moral of the story is make sure you drink water after this stretch, okay, just so you can flush your body. We're not doing anything serious, like that serious, because we're obviously not doing a massage. We are just gonna be doing some basic stretches. This is my first time doing a lymphatic drainage stretch on my channel, so we're gonna keep it really basic. And if you guys want more tips, I can link some articles or some places where you guys can get a massage, or you know, even just doing things at home like facials and things like that to massage your body in these areas is really, really helpful to cleanse the system. Okay, without further ado, let's get into these stretches. So we're gonna be holding each stretch for a minute. I've got my Apple Watch on here, and I've got my little timer. And we're gonna start off with the neck. So the lymph nodes are here underneath by the tonsils, and you have one here too. So we're just gonna lightly stretch our neck as we would do at a massage place. So just here, hand is on top, hand is at the shoulder, and slightly pull them apart. Relax it and go again. You can even lift the chin up a little bit just to stretch the muscle here in the neck. Okay, so we're gonna start here for 1 minute, and we're gonna go both sides. So stretching here, 1, 2, and stretching here, 1, 2. What I like to do at home for a lymphatic drainage massage, like on my neck and face, I'll get those, I have a few, what do they call them? Jade scrapers, like pieces of jade. It's like a glass, but it's a stone. Anyway, jade roller, gua sha is what it's called. The gua sha. Ladies and gentlemen, you can gua sha your face and really detoxify your skin and your lymph nodes easy. It's just it's a really soft stone. You keep it in your fridge, it gets cold, and you just scrape your neck. It gets the blood flowing, the circulation flowing. It's all about circulation, okay? It feels good. It feels like it wants to crack, but like it won't crack. Okay, next we're gonna come down into the downward dog position. So we're trying to stretch these back here on the back of the leg. So I started the timer, let me just cancel it. So the point here is to keep the heels down. So like me, I'm really sore. My hamstrings are killing me right now. But if you can't keep the heels down, you can slightly bop like this, like they teach you in yoga class. 1 bop, 2 bop. But you want to stretch the lower calves because we've got the lymph nodes here, and it's really important to keep the circulation right so that you can get circulation to your feet, and then you don't create circulation problems in the future. So here's the position, pushing the hips back. So you can see here, you want to push these up and back. Boom, just like that. If it hurts you, just do the little bop. 1, 2. Try to hit the ground with the heel, try to hit the ground with the heel, and do like that, okay? So we're gonna hold here for 1 minute and up. And I'm gonna bop because I am super sore. We're also getting some circulation to our head. which is always nice because if we're standing all day, the blood flow is going down. Picking up and pushing back. Keeping the neck in line with the arms and the spine is good. Not looking too far like this or too far like that. So just nice and neutral spine position. Stretch. Good job. All right, we're gonna come down onto our stomach for the bow pose. So I really don't know yoga and all their terminology like that. I do know a few poses because I did yoga with Adrienne, her 30-day challenge. That was sick. Highly recommend her YouTube channel. She's amazing. So the bow pose is like this. We want to grab our feet just like this, and you want to lift up your trunk. So if you can't lift up your trunk, just grab your feet. This still feels really good, okay? But you want to get into this position where your chest comes off the ground and you're doing a good breathing. Deep breaths, okay? That I can already feel my blood circulating just because this is such an awkward position. If you can't reach your legs, okay, try to get like this at least. Like if you can't grab your feet, try to get like this and just hold. And if that's not working well, you need to follow along on my Sunday. make more of a program for it so we can get into it. If it was like so-so and you're not into it, that's fine too, but it is important to do, at least for yourself at home. You know, like I said, get a gua sha, get the stone, rub it out. Also, increase your water intake, drink more water, and that's the stretch. So if you're ready to work out, I'm gonna leave a workout video here on the screen, and I'll see you guys there. Bye.